Hello friends, I made a video or some videos related to the installation of nvidia proprietary drivers on Arch Linux. The version was 340. Some comments I got were about facing some issues when following the same steps I have done, as well as maybe some questions about how to choose which package to install. There is something I would say here, which is the confusion comes only when you are using the version 340, which depends on your GPU, whether it's compatible with 340 or the other versions. And I can only say that as long as there is no LTS, like when you look for the package here, like in the AUR, you come to the page aur.archlinux.org, you type your nvidia driver after making sure the version, of course, after making sure that the version is the one that's compatible with your GPU. You need to make sure that whether the package has a suffix LTS or not. If it doesn't have LTS suffix, like for example for 340 there is an LTS suffix. If we type for example 390 here, there is no LTS suffix. Yeah, if you focus very well, there is no LTS suffix. If there is no LTS suffix for whichever version, simply go with the one that has a suffix DKMS. DKMS suffix makes the package automatically rebuilds the kernel modules every time there is a kernel module. There is a kernel update. But for 340 there is an LTS suffix, as you can see here and here, and that automatically means that if you have installed the kernel LTS, which is the package linux-LTS, you definitely have to choose this package. If you followed the wiki of the manual installation, or if you install it using the script and you don't remember selecting the LTS version, you definitely need to go now to the terminal and type uname-a. This is not Arch Linux, but the command is the same to know what is your kernel version. If it is LTS, you're supposed to find it somewhere in the name. If it isn't, it means it's not LTS. If it isn't LTS, you should go with this package. As I said, -DKMS helps rebuilding the kernel modules every time there is a kernel update. Otherwise, you may need extra configurations. So in my case, I believe, if I can recall, I ran the command sudo yay -uppercase-s and then nvidia -340 xx-lts -dkms. Why did I run such command? It was because I have an LTS kernel which was 6.1 as I recall, and some errors were related to that, and it was in the title of my video 6.1. This happened time ago, that's why I cannot recall very well. Even the machine that I installed NVIDIA drivers on, I didn't use it for some time, so I may make a video about updating the kernel, which will take us to the most recent version of the kernel LTS, which is 6.6. However, in this case, I guess our friend, this video, I hope it helps him, is facing an error, and he's probably using a non-LTS kernel. So he should not run the command like this. He should instead run it like this if he is using a non-LTS kernel. He has the option to use an LTS kernel and follow the exact same steps I have done. However, when he comes to running this command, like he wants to install this package, he should run this command like this, and the rest of the steps are going to be exactly the same as me. Okay, I hope this helped you. I hope our friend solves the issue and his nvidia GPU works flawlessly with the new proprietary installed proprietary driver. I guess that's it for this video. If you're interested in similar content, please consider subscribing, like, and share. If you have anything to tell, or you want to tell me, or you want to comment with anything, just drop it down below in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and peace.